The physical sensations we experience in our mouths when eating particular foods can be described as mouthfeel. Mouthfeel is in part determined by our senses of taste and smell, as well as a third, lesser-known sense called chemical irritation.
Chemical irritation allows us to perceive the spiciness from hot chilies, the carbonation from a beverage, the spiciness from a mustard, or the cooling from a menthol. It's kind of giving to flavors a third dimension, something different, and allows us to actually enjoy the experience of eating much, much better and give more depth. It's actually a very, very versatile system that is also allowed us to perceive changes in temperature. And so somehow that's why when you heat something which is hot, but spicy hot, you perceive it as hot because the same system actually detects also hot temperatures. And at the same time, when you have something like a mint and you perceive it as cool, well, you know that you just activated the sensory system that is also activated by cool temperatures.
As this is a relatively new field of study, researchers at Monell are working to better understand the relationship between the properties of certain foods and the systems that allow us to experience them.
While some food, for example, banana tastes very soft, right? It's sweet and soft. But some food tastes very sweet but hard, right? Why those different food have different, features, right? So in short, we use the different sensors in our oral cavity to tell different features of food. Yeah, that's what we are working on. We want to identify what are these sensors, how they work.
Irritation or mouthfeel, it's most likely it's integrated with the other senses for flavor. From my research and others, we actually shown that the chemical irritation is actually able to modulate the systems also in the periphery, both in the nose, but also in the tongue. So it's really a multi-step process where basically the information is able to, the systems are talking to each other from the very, very beginning, helping us to, create an image that is the most faithful or actually helpful for reading the reality around us.